Hello, fellow crafters! What do you think about art journaling? For me, it is the best way to relax during a hectic week. I want to do more of art journaling in the future, so I had this idea. I am starting a little sidekick on this channel, which is all about art journaling journey. So, these art journaling process videos will pop up here and there with the normal weekly videos. My art journal is almost full and soon I will have to make another one for myself. This is my first ever art journal, so it is so nice to continue the journey with a new book. Next week I will make a flip-through video of this art journal. But now let's check out where the journaling flow took me this time. Thank you so much for watching, and it would be the best thing if you would get some inspiration out of this one. What does your art tell you? Remember, pay attention. So, next time we have this chunky crocodile mouth book to go through. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely week, lovelies. Bye!